Welcome to Sawgrass, a new neighborhood from Smith Douglas Homes in Ball Ground. And today I am here with Pete and Patty. It's so great to see you guys. So Pete, I'll start with you. What can you tell us about this neighborhood?
Well, here at Sawgrass, we're going to have 110 homes total, 56 townhomes and 54 single-family homes.
Now today we are in one of your townhomes and your townhome model. It's absolutely beautiful. So what can you tell us about the townhomes?
Townhomes, we have two plans, the Pierce, which is the one we're in now, and the Swanee. They're both 1,627 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
Well, Patty, Sawgrass is located in Ball Ground, so what can you tell us about the city and the surrounding area?
Well, we're located 5 minutes from downtown historic Ball Ground, and we're located approximately 5 minutes to Highway 575 and Riverstone Parkway, which is the city limits of Canton, where you have shopping, Publix, Home Depot, etc. And then we're 10 minutes from the Northside Cherokee Medical Campus, where you also have all the shopping, Target, Best Buy, etc. So a fantastic location. We're also less than 20 minutes from LJ in the beautiful North Georgia mountains.
Well, Pete, where does the price point start for these homes, and what about availability?
The townhomes are starting in the high 200s, and right now we're selling for early spring.
Well, Patty, if someone wants to find out more about Sawgrass, what's the best way to do that?
They can visit us at smithdouglas.com and look up Sawgrass, or they can call us at 470-227-7156.
Well, Pete, Patty, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for a townhome or single-family home in the Ball Ground area, check out Sawgrass by Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.